Your washing machine might not actually be cleaning your clothes and getting rid of odours. It may need to be sanitized, as many front-loading machines do. The first step is to clean your drain filter. This is going to let water exit the machine easier when it drains and prevent things from getting backed up. You might even find a quarter like I did here. It's pretty easy to clean this filter. Mine is at the front and the bottom of my machine behind a flap. Just wash it in the sink and put it back in. And you've got to clean your detergent drawer. It's a very humid area in here if you don't leave it open between washes. So on mine, there's a little thing here. You press that, the whole thing comes out, and you can take it to the sink and clean it, get any bacteria and stench out of there. And another thing to do while you're cleaning your washing machine is to check around here to see in the seal between the drum, the front loader drum, on the outside there's a rubber seal, and if there is kind of mildew or bacteria or kind of fluff stuck in there, then you can wipe this down with a sort of spray bottle with vinegar and water 50-50 in. But my drum rubber looks good. Now you may be tempted to run bleach through your washing machine, but I checked my instruction book and it says not to do that. In fact, there's a specific self-clean cycle that you can choose on the washer. Just run that. It takes a very long time, runs very hot, and that will kill any bacteria in and make everything come out smelling of roses.